Hey guys, welcome to our new home workout guide. So for this one we'll be doing 50 seconds of each exercise, then we'll have a 10-second rest, and we'll be repeating that for 15 exercises, then we'll have a 1-minute breather, and then we'll go again from the top. So 50 seconds of exercise, 10 seconds rest, but the rest is more just to get you into the next exercise. Let's go! Get nice and warm, bring your knees nice and high. Seconds. Alright, and then into our next exercise, so glute bridges. We've got 10 seconds to have a little, well, get ready. So pop your band around your knees. Let's go. Glute bridges, up and squeeze. Pull your knees apart. Really squeeze up at the top. And then we've got 10 seconds. Next we've got squats. Keep your band on if you can. So have a little minute. Alright, we ready? So squatting it down, weight in our heels, pull your knees apart, up and squeeze. As many as you can, get nice and low. Keep it going. Almost there, we've got 10 more seconds. Alright, and then into the next one. Remember, you've got 10 seconds to transition, so it's going to be press up next. So remember, just do as many as you can for the 50 seconds. If you need to come down, that's fine. So as many as you can, keep it going. Perfect, and then into our crunches. So you've got 10 seconds to get there, and then just push your belly button into the floor, get off as high as you can. Keep it going, push your belly button into the floor. 10-second breather. And then next we're going into mountain climbers. So waiting your hands, tucking your knees up to your chest. All right, you ready? And then 10 seconds breather. Next we've got glute bridge abduction. So if you've got a band, we're going up to the top and we're just pulling our knees in and out. If you don't have a band, just keep doing glute bridges. All right, let's go. So up to the top, pull your knees in and out, really squeeze your bum. And remember, if you don't have a band, just go up and down in the glute bridge. And then 10 seconds rest, and then next we're going into our split squats. So we're going to do 25 seconds each side for these ones. So you're right in your front heel and we're just going down and up. So remember, try and get both knees to 90 degrees, weight in the front heel, and think about squeezing your bum. And then other side, weight in that front heel. All right, and then into tricep dips next. So fingers behind you, facing you, push your bum up, and then we're just going to bend at our elbows. So just take it nice and low. As many reps as we can. Think about keeping your elbows together. Try not to let them go out to the side. Halfway there. If you stop, that's fine, just start again as soon as you can. 15 more seconds. And then next we've got lying knee tuck, so you're just going to lie down, think about pushing your lower back into the floor, and you're just tucking your knees up to your chest. Ready? So tuck it up, take it down, don't touch the floor, and bring it back up. Really keep the tension there, keep your belly button into your spine, try not to have a gap between your back and the floor. 10 seconds breather. And next we've just got jumping jacks. I'm going to put my band on for mine. Wait, yeah, so jumping jacks. So I'm going to put my band on. So basically just a star jump. So just keep it moving. Halfway there. More seconds. And then 10 seconds rest. And then next we've got kneeling donkey kicks. So band around your knees if you've got one. And we're going to do 25 seconds each side, taking your leg up. Seconds on this leg, and then the other side, kick it back, squeeze your bum. Alright, and then 10 seconds left. And then we're going into alternating side lunges. So you're just going to lunge from one side into the other. Right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So take it nice and low, and then to the opposite side. As you can. Less than 10 seconds to go. All right, and then we've got high plank shoulder taps. So you're just going to be in a high plank and we're tapping the opposite shoulder. Ready? Let's go. We're halfway there. Keep it going, try and keep your bum in line with your body so don't have your hips up too high. $15 more seconds. All right, 10 seconds left. Then we've got Russian twists, and then we've got a rest. So remember, tilt your body back, pull your belly button into your spine, and we're just going side to side. Lift your feet off the floor to make it a little bit harder. But the more our body's tilted back, the more we'll feel it. Go around as far as you can. $30 seconds more. All right, and have a breather. So we've got 1 minute's rest and then extra 10 seconds. And then we're starting again from the high knees. So we've just got to do everything one more time and then we're done. So take your time. Breathe. Right, we've got 20 more seconds, right? 15 minutes. 15 seconds. Alright, 10 seconds and then we've got our high knees. So get yourself ready. Ready. Let's go. High knees. So as high as you can. Let's go. Keep it going. 20 seconds more. And then into glute bridges. So 10 seconds to get there. Pop your band on if you've got one. Ready. Weight in your heels, knees apart. Let's go. Don't touch the floor in between. Into our squat, so 10 seconds to get there. Ready, let's go. Get as low as you can, pull your knees apart, weight in your heels. Ten more seconds. All right, and then it will be press ups. All right, you ready? So as many as we can. Obviously have a rest if you need one. More seconds. Woo! And then 10 seconds rest. And then we've got our crunches. So remember, push your lower back into the floor, really squeeze, breathe out on the way up. let's go. Then breather, and then we're going into mountain climbers. So remember, hands to the floor, tuck your knees up to your chest. Halfway there, keep it moving. And then into our glute bridge abduction, so where we pull our knees in apart, in and out. Remember, if you don't have a band, just do normal glute bridges. On fire. Oh. Alright, happy band off. Then next we've got split squats. So this one's 25 seconds each side. Weight in the front here. Let's go. If you have a band that's light enough, you can wear it for this. Mine's too tight. And then the other side, weight in the front here. Alright, and then 10 seconds breather. Next we've got our tricep dips, so remember, fingers facing you. Push it up. If you find them quite difficult on the floor, do them on something elevated, so like a chair. Alright, let's go. Remember, elbows together. Nearly there. 10 more seconds. Alright, 10 seconds little breather, and then we've got lying knee tucks. So remember, lying down, tuck your knees up to your chest, keep your lower back on the floor. Let's go. Remember, don't touch the floor at the bottom. Up. Alright, 10 seconds breather, and then we've got jumping jacks again. I'm going to put my band on for them. Alright, you ready? So jumping your legs out. We're nearly there, we've only got 5 more exercises to go. Easy. Seconds rest. Alright, and then we've got our kickbacks. So 25 seconds each side on this one as well. Ready? Kick it back, squeeze your bum. Five more seconds. And the other side. And band up into our side lunges. Let's go. Nice and low. Get as low as we can. Keep it moving. Alright, 10 seconds breather, then we've got our plank shoulder taps, and then Russian twist, and then we're done. Ready, let's go, opposite shoulder. More seconds. Keep your belly button into your spine. Alright, and then last thing, Russian twist. 10 seconds to get there. Ready? Lift your feet up off the floor, tilt your body back, and we're going side to side. Just as far as you can. We're over halfway, keep twisting. Last ones. And there we go. We're all done. So just keep your feet out, reach forward over them, stretch it out. Let me know what exercise you thought was the hardest. Let me know how you found it in general. Obviously the new layout, because the more you tell me, the more the next one you'll like, you know? Take your time, have a little stretch. And then cross one leg over the top. Look the other way. And the other side, cross it over the top. Onto our front, push it up, keeping your hips into the floor. Tuck it up. And then bring it down, sit back onto your heels. Pull arm across. And the other side, and then up and over, and the other side. Perfect, we're all done, well done. So